Welcome to the online ICT course. Here's presenting Module 1 in the form of spoken tutorial. What is expected of you? Go through the course material on ICT, go through the spoken tutorial, study the matter thoroughly well. Educational technology. What is educational technology? For that, we need to understand what is education. We all know education is nothing but to draw out the best in the learners. But what are the present day learners exposed to? Information overload and nowhere to go. Technology. It is a technical means people use to improve their surroundings and to work efficiently as well as effectively. It is therefore understood that educational technology is a marriage of education and technology. What is the concept of ET? Here's presenting two definitions which will clearly show us that these are devices and organizations that help in the improvement of the teaching learning process. What are the components of educational technology? Educational technology is dependent upon objectives of teaching, the learning styles of the learners, the resources that are used in the teaching learning process, and the teaching strategies. These are not separate entities by themselves, but they each influence the other. What are the uses of educational technology? As is evident here from the pictures, the uses are tutorial, exploratory, application, and communication. Approaches in educational technology. The hardware approach and the software approach. What is the difference between hardware and software? Uses of hardware. It concretizes information, motivates, illustrates, clarifies, expands knowledge, retention, and systematizes. Uses of software. It helps in communicating, browsing, searching, integrating. Hardware and software, they aid in online learning and video conferencing. The third approach in ET is the systems approach. Educational technology is a system which includes many subsystems. Educational technology depends on the input. This input is processed and then an output is presented. Interestingly, the input and the output are both in keeping with the environment. The input is obtained from the environment and the output goes into the environment. The influence of educational technology on education. It is seen here how educational technology helps in the analysis, the design of the lessons, the development of the lessons, the implementation of the lessons, and also the evaluation, which includes formative and summative evaluation. Again here, as is obvious, each one influences the other stage. Every stage is influenced by educational technology and every stage is influenced by the other stage. The paradigm shift is therefore seen from we now go on to the overview of educational technology as a discipline. In that, we shall be seeing the historical perspective of educational technology. Thus, we have arrived at the four different historical perspectives on the processes and tools, all of which have helped shape current practices in the field. So, here's presenting the historical perspectives. Perspective 1: Educational technology as media and audiovisual communications. Perspective 2: Educational technology as instructional systems and instructional design. Perspective 3: Educational technology as vocational training. Perspective 4: Educational technology as computer systems. These are the emerging trends in educational technology. Trend 1: CMS. Trend 2: e-learning. Trend 3: e-portfolios. Thus we summarize: we now move on to information and communication technology in education. Please look at the definition of ICT. It is the processing of information and its communications, facilities and features that variously support teaching, learning and a range of activities in education. Characteristics of ICT. Please look at the characteristics and you will find that it is nothing but that which encourages active interaction and systematic learning. The need for ICT is felt due to the present societal scenario. The use of ICT in education, how it is used to enhance the teaching learning process. Carrying forward the importance of ICT in education. These are some examples of how ICT has enabled teaching and made it even better.
बंगले का गेट खुला हुआ है दिल धक सा रह जाता है। ऐसा ही हुआ किसी रिश्ते में। मिसाल एक देर रात घर में आए तो गेट खुला हुआ था और सोचते रहे कि
We thus end the presentation. We hope you have understood the first topic. Please also go through the online material that is presented, or you could also refer to the course material. Thank you.